Hey there. Frustrated because the borrow loan option is not showing up on Cash App? You're definitely not alone. The borrow feature on Cash App allows users to take out short-term loans directly through the app, but sometimes it can mysteriously vanish or fail to show up. If you're eager to figure out how to fix the borrow loan option not showing on Cash App, you're in the right place. Today we're going to dive into a few strategies to troubleshoot and get that loan option back on your screen. Step 1. Verify your eligibility. Before diving into fixes, it's essential to understand that not everyone is eligible for the borrow feature on Cash App. Currently, Cash App offers this feature selectively based on factors like your state of residence, your financial history with Cash App, and your usage of the app. Make sure you regularly transact, keep your account in good standing, and fulfill any requirements outlined by Cash App to enhance your eligibility. Step 2. Update your Cash App. An outdated app can lead to missing features and glitches. Ensure that your Cash App is updated to the latest version, as updates often contain bug fixes and feature improvements. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and click Update if a new version is available. Keeping the app updated is crucial for the smooth operation of all its features. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If updating doesn't do the trick, clearing the cache might help. This can resolve minor glitches and refresh your app experience. On an Android device, go to Settings, then Apps, find Cash App, and tap on Storage to clear cache and data. For iOS users, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app itself, since iOS doesn't offer a direct cache clear option. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. Sometimes the solution requires a little more than DIY troubleshooting. If you've checked your eligibility and ensured your app is updated, yet the borrow option is still missing, it's time to reach out to Cash App support. Navigate to the support section in the app by tapping on your profile icon, selecting support, and then something else. Describe your issue, and then the Cash App support team can provide guidance or manually check your account status. Step 5. Regularly monitor account activity. If you frequently use Cash App, ensure that account activity aligns with the app policies, which means maintaining regular transactions, avoiding disputes or negative balances, and complying with any terms and conditions set by Cash App. Regular usage and positive account activity increase your chances of being offered the borrow feature. Having the borrow loan option unavailable can be an inconvenience when you need quick access to funds. By understanding eligibility criteria, ensuring your app is updated, clearing cache, and reaching out to support when necessary, you enhance your chances of seeing that option appear. Remember, the key is consistent app usage and maintaining a positive account history. Stay proactive, and soon enough, you might find the borrow feature available for your financial needs. Happy troubleshooting.